For breathtaking high-definition video wherever you go. With wide-angle view and smart flying features, Syma introduces W1PRO, an intelligent and compact flying camera that you'll want to bring everywhere. W1PRO uses an innovative dual camera system. The 1080p front camera with wide-angle lens creates high-quality immersive images, while the second camera at the bottom allows for unique vertical shots and added flying stability with optical flow positioning. W1PRO can shoot, edit and share videos and photos with just a few easy steps. Close to home or in exotic locations, W1PRO is your eye in the sky. With dual-brand transmission and high-efficiency brushless motors, the W1PRO remains stable even in adverse conditions. But wait, and let's see how W1PRO's smart features make flying easier than ever. W1PRO can be controlled with simple hand motions. It can also recognize and follow a person or a mobile device using accurate GPS positioning. At your signal, it knows when you want to take a photo and/or start recording a video. Combined with a VR headset, W1PRO offers the most immersive flying experience. With over 18 minutes of flight time and up to 250 meters of smooth real-time video transmission, let W1PRO take control by simply pointing at the map where you want it to go. Low battery? Don't worry. W1PRO knows when the power is running low and returns on its own. With its innovative features, high-quality camera and compact body, W1PRO is the perfect creative companion. Can shoot and edit creative videos and share great moments.